My dad is a liar. He is always fooling me. He said there's an elephant of glue color at his work, but I made sure no such thing exists. He said his job is very easy, but I know that's not true. He said he'd take me to the amusement park after work, but he didn't keep that promise. Even though he always fools me, I still think he is the best dad in the world. Because Mom says every machine can stop, but he never does. But there is one thing he didn't lie about. He said his company makes the best machines in the world.